Hello, welcome to a Boom user session. Today we'll be in the Data Studio and we'll be focusing on interacting with land titles. So we've got a Data Studio session ready to go. Let's pick an area to search. Today will be Islington. We can interact with either the keyboard or the mouse. I'll pick Islington. The active layer, as you can see, is on the left of the screen. I like to drag that to the right toolbar, which will soon become its default. On the left toolbar, we've got the second tile is land titles. If we select that, the pop-up will present itself. You've got filter and you've got visualize. Visualize defaults to the land titles key, which you can see is blue. Back at the filter, there are multiple filters that you can interact with as a user: gross external area, class of title, maximum site density, maximum unique property references, the various use classes, ownership, company proprietorship, and energy ratings. We'll change two just very quickly. So gross external area will go 0 to 50,000 square meters. Class of title will deselect unregistered and rent charge, so we're focusing solely on freehold and leasehold. And for use class, let's deselect a couple: unspecified, B8, F1 and F2. We'll leave the rest as they are in their default setting. You can see as well that they've got a little information icon which gives some further information about each of those filter classifications. If we apply those filters, you'll notice in the active layer, Boom is instructing zoom to view. The current zoom level is too high to render all of the data on the map. So let's zoom in 3 times. You'll notice that the filters will be applied and the current visualize default of land title is provided. The various opacities relate to the various land titles that are applied on that particular land title. So there might be 30 leaseholds, for example, for each of the freeholds that are on that site, or the freehold in particular. The drop down, which you cannot see, which is unfortunate, provides for all sorts of visualize options: land title, gross external area, class of title, site density, unique property references, use class, energy rating, ownership and proprietorship. It's unfortunate that the video recording doesn't present that box, but it is very much available to the user. So I'm going to select class of title, which will render the various class of titles that we filtered by, which was freehold and leasehold. So as you can see, there's various opacities of the purple and the teal. The darker the purple means the multiple numbers of leasehold that exist. And you can right click on each one of those land titles and it will remove various layers that you can then interact with. If we were to do that very quickly, this one here, we would notice that the freehold has been removed and it's now interacting with the leasehold. We can then reset that by clicking on the bin on the right toolbar at the bottom, and the freehold will present itself again on the screen. We can select another one, let's say use class. The use class will provide itself there, and all the various use classes will render onto the visualize. Again, we can select another, let's say ownership, and yellow, teal and purple will present itself again. Purple being overseas company, teal being UK company, and yellow being private. We could select those, for example, the freehold on this particular site here is, I believe, Tolpuddle Street, and you'll see that the ownership has hyperlinks to the owner, which is to company's house, and there is various information that you can then drill down further into on the land titles. So that's how you generally interact with the land titles, and we'll do some more sessions on deep dive into land titles, saving to dashboard, saving sessions, etc. Thanks for watching.